Hey everybody, so we're at our in-laws house here in Auburn, California, and everybody's been asking for a tour. Really love this farm sink though. Look how deep it is. I just did all of my dishes. Pick it. Comes off. Spray mode. I mean, all the upgrades of a real home. But we've got lots of shelving on both sides. My husband has his side, drawers underneath the couch. Soft shut blinds, which is nice. These are theater chairs, massage chairs. So right now we're not hooked up to any electric, but if we were, the massage chairs would come on. That pulls out for seat cups. These recline back. Look at this cute little farm door. It's adorbs. It's got a porcelain toilet, matching sinks as in the kitchen. Check this out. I am 6'1". There's a skylight, and look, I mean, I fit tons of cupboard space. There's room for 2 big beach towels plus hooks, but I even like the modern kind of tile work in here. This is retractable, so it's like a squeegee. When you're done with your shower, this keeps everything really warm, so I've never ever been cold. It's well insulated, and it just squeegees itself. When it rolls back, it squeegees the water. I love the stove in that, you know, you turn on this little light button here, it turns on all of the lights to blue. The minute that you turn something on, it's a different color. So let's say you forgot to turn off your stove, you walk away, you go to do something else. It's still red, so somebody's gonna notice it. Refrigerator full of vegan eats. There's tofurkey, lots and lots of vegetables. We have edible cookie dough and cookies because we do have an oven. There's my husband. Oh, you're silly. Oh my God. Good morning. Good morning. you like this video, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and tell us what you think of our new purchase. If you found value in this video, please hit that subscribe button. We would like to thank all of our supporters. We love that you tune in and watch our journey. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Ring that bell. You'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Bye for now.